How to get a Vietnam entry visa on arrival. The good news is that getting a Vietnam entry visa on arrival is a breeze. It'll save you time and money compared to applying for a visa beforehand. How to get a Vietnam entry visa on arrival. Is the process of getting this type of visa easy or difficult? Let's explore this topic with LHD Law Firm in this video. What is a Vietnam entry visa on arrival? Vietnam entry visa on arrival is a convenient option for tourists, allowing them to get their visa stamped upon landing at designated international airports in the country. This is a convenient visa acquisition method, especially for those living far from a Vietnam consulate, embassy, or in countries without a Vietnam diplomatic mission. While Vietnam offers various visa options around 27, the visa on arrival is a popular choice for its simplicity. Out of Vietnam's 27 visa categories, two main entry visas are available on arrival. 1. The Vietnam Tourist Visa DL, valid for up to 90 days. 2. The Business Visa DN, valid for up to a year. Where to get a Vietnam entry visa on arrival? You can get your Vietnam entry visa on arrival at any of Vietnam's 8 international airports. 1. Hanoi Noi Bai International Airport. 2. Ho Chi Minh City Tan Son Nhat International Airport. 3. Haiphong Cat Bai International Airport. 4. Da Nang City Da Nang International Airport. 5. Can Ho Cam Ranh International Airport. 6. Da Lat Lien Quang International Airport. 7. Can Tho City Can Tho International Airport. 8. Phu Quoc International Airport. Who is eligible for a Vietnam entry visa on arrival? To qualify for a visa on arrival, you'll need to meet a few basic requirements. 1. Your departure country does not have the authority to issue a Vietnam entry visa on arrival. 2. You have taken multiple international flights prior to arriving at an international airport in Vietnam. 3. You traveled to Vietnam for the purpose of visiting seriously ill relatives or attending a relative's funeral. 4. You are sponsored by an international tourism company in Vietnam. 5. You are required by Vietnamese authorities to travel to Vietnam, or you have been invited to enter Vietnam to address urgent issues. How much does a Vietnam entry visa on arrival cost? There are typically 2 fees involved with a Vietnam visa on arrival. Service fee. This is paid to the service provider for the visa approval letter. The cost varies depending on the visa type. Stamping fee. This fee is paid directly to Vietnamese authorities upon arrival at the airport. 1. Single entry visa, 25 USD visa. 2. 3-month multiple entry visa, 50 United States dollars, visa. 3. 6-month multiple entry visa, 95 USD, visa. 4. 1-year multiple entry visa, 135 United States dollars, visa. How to get a Vietnam entry visa on arrival. To streamline the visa application process, follow these steps. Step 1. Research reputable visa service providers in Vietnam. These agencies can handle the pre-approval letter application for you, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Simply choose a trusted agency, provide them with your travel details, and complete the service fee payment. Step 2. Once your application is processed, you'll receive an approval letter via email. This letter will usually include the immigration declaration form as an attachment. Fill out the form completely and prepare to passport-sized photos with a white background. Remember, your original passport needs to be valid for at least 6 months from your planned arrival date in Vietnam. Step 3. Upon arrival at the airport, present your relevant documents and pay the stamping fee for entry into Vietnam. Important note: when using a visa on arrival service provider, be sure to choose a reputable agency. A quick online search will yield numerous options, so take some time to compare services, reviews, and pricing. However, not all nationalities are eligible for Vietnam e-visas. Be sure to check the requirements well in advance of your trip. How long does the visa application process take? The processing time for visa approval letters can range from 2 to 5 business days. For urgent trips, some providers offer expedited services that can get your letter ready in 2 to 4 hours. Additional fees may apply. Tips for obtaining a Vietnam entry visa on arrival. While the visa on arrival streamlines entry into Vietnam, there are a few key things to remember to ensure a smooth arrival and avoid any hiccups that might delay your trip. 1. Request the entry approval letter 2 to 3 days before your planned departure date. 2. If your trip is within a week, applying for a visa on arrival might be risky due to processing times for the pre-approval letter. Consider checking if your nationality is eligible for an e-visa through the official government website. 3. Don't forget to let the visa service provider know which Vietnamese airport you'll be landing at. 4. Have the exact amount in USD prepared for the visa stamping fee, as it's typically paid in cash directly at the immigration counter. 5. For a stress-free experience, choose a reputable and experienced visa service provider. They'll handle the paperwork efficiently and ensure everything is in order for a smooth arrival in Vietnam. Important notes when applying for a visa on arrival. To get a Vietnam entry visa on arrival at the airport, you will need to obtain a visa entry letter beforehand. To obtain this document, you need to provide some necessary documents, such as a sponsorship letter from relatives in Vietnam or from a company, organization, or enterprise to the immigration department. Be prepared for possible delays at Tan Son Nhat or Noi Bai International Airport. Due to their high volume of traffic, processing times for visas on arrival might be longer than at other Vietnamese airports. Allow ample time for immigration procedures to avoid missing your connecting flight. By choosing a reputable visa service provider and planning in advance, you can ensure a smooth arrival in Vietnam and avoid any delays that might disrupt your travel itinerary. Looking to extend your stay or delve deeper into Vietnamese life? During your visit, you might encounter situations where accurate translations of legal documents are necessary. Keep this in mind and consider reliable translation services to ensure everything is handled smoothly according to Vietnamese law. Simplify your Vietnam visa on arrival process. With LHD Law Firm, we can handle any document translations you may need for your application, ensuring everything is accurate and meets Vietnamese requirements. This allows you to focus on the exciting parts of your trip, exploring the wonders of Vietnam. Ensure a smooth visa process with LHD Law Firm expert document translation services. Our team of experienced linguists, familiar with Vietnamese visa requirements, can provide accurate translations of any documents you need for your application. This way, you can avoid delays and focus on planning your exciting Vietnamese adventure. Professional certified and notarized translation services for administrative and legal procedures. 1. Our team of experienced linguists ensures meticulous translations that meet legal requirements, giving you confidence in your application. 2. Translations for standard documents delivered in just 24 hours. 3. Transparent and detailed quote. 4. LHD Law Firm provided free of charge. 5. Notarization and consular authentication services available upon request for a reasonable fee. 6. The highest standards of confidentiality for all project information. Your information is only used to process your translation order. 7. LHD Law Firm helps you keep track of all project progress. We hope this information on obtaining a Vietnam entry visa on arrival is helpful for you. Dreamy beaches, bustling cities, and mouth-watering cuisine await in Vietnam. The streamlined visa on arrival process ensures a stress-free start to your adventure. With minimal documentation required for the pre-approval letter, you'll be ready to explore this captivating country in no time. Worried about translating documents for your Vietnam visa on arrival application? Get a free quote today and see how LHD Law Firm. Our expert translators will ensure your pre-approval letter is accurate and meets all Vietnamese requirements, giving you peace of mind for your trip.